Mabirizi has petitioned the Chief of Defense Forces of Uganda, that is General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, for what he called alleged misconduct. Mabirizi has confirmed this via a document that he issued to the media. Just count 1, statement of offense. Scandalous conduct by officers contrary to section 143(1) and 143(2) of Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, CAP 330. Particulars of offenses. Muhoozi Kainerugaba is serving officer of Uganda's People's Defense Forces on Thursday, the 6th February 2025 at Kasasi Playground, Chotera District. At a military public function called the Reseta, you made a public statement that the Uganda Supreme Court judgment in Constitutional Appeal number 2 of 2021, Attorney General 5, Honorable Michael Chabaji Guruka, which prohibited General Court Martial from handling criminal offenses, is unacceptable, which conduct was generally against public order, expectations, and morality, and which directly or indirectly affected other Ugandans. Count 2, statement of offense. Disobedience of statutory duty contrary to section 103 of Penal Code Act, CAP 128. Particulars of offense. Muhoozi Kainerugaba is serving officer of Uganda People's Defense Forces on Thursday, 6 February 2025 at Kasasi Playground, Chotera District, at a military public function called Reseta. You made a public statement that the Uganda Supreme Court judgment in Constitutional Appeal number 2 of 2021, Attorney General 5, Honorable Michael Chabaji Guruka, which prohibited General Court Martial from handling criminal offenses, is unacceptable, which action is forbidden by Article 208 and 209 of the Constitution, as well as Sections 99, 145, 1-2, and 178, 1-2 of Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, CAP 330, and which concern the public. He also went ahead to explain what the content of this document is all about.
There we go. Yes, we are here at Chotera Court. We have just filed criminal case number 64, 2025. This case is against Muhoozi Kainerugaba. He's the accused. The offenses are 2. The first offense is scandalous conduct by officers under section 143(1) and 143(2) the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act. This is CAP 330. Then we have disobedience of statutory duty under section 103 of the Penal Code Act, CAP 128. Now these offenses have a background. On 6th February this year, Muhoozi was at Kasasa. He made comments on Saturday where he said that the Supreme Court judgment was unacceptable. Now these utterances clearly and outrightly are against the rule of law, are against the good conduct of officers who are required under Article 208 of the Constitution to respect the law, to be disciplined, to be subordinate to civilian authority. So when the civilian authority, in the name of Supreme Court, makes a decision that court martial is unconstitutional, you cannot come and sit down playing it. So I think this is the time when we need to wake up and hold these people accountable. This is the first time we are charging Muhoozi. We charged Muhoozi at Kumi, we charged Muhoozi at Soroti, we charged him at City Hall. We charged this guy who was Deputy IGP Kasigazi, and summons were issued against him at Nakawa. So we're hopeful that actually this court will also do the same. We are going to go to a hearing date. We shall come back here, and on that date we shall have to argue why summons should be issued. Don't forget the fundraising via 701-881231 and 78763-086.
kati beteekateeka. Naawe weeteeketeeke simayiro gyongereko ettama linyeenyeemu.